Madonna are just some of the famous people in the 80s. Will one of the Prep Hope kids be the next Coronel Aquino, Leo Salonga, or Madonna? Let's watch the presentation prepared by the Prep Hope kids as they perform the hit of the 80s Footloose, Shake Body Dance, and Together Forever.